Third meeting of the regular season between these sides as we are underway from American Legion Memorial Stadium in Charlotte, North Carolina. Tormenta's last year's defending champs here in USL League One, taking down the Chattanooga Red Wolves by a score of 2-1. Keziah Sterling with the goal. Now, this one's going to be stopped by Pack and then cleared away by Spielman. The group has been great at organizing the back and really has worked hard this season to strengthen his game. And there's that look and that shot attempt. Ibarra. Chance here, and just over the crossbar. Both teams not afraid to tee it up tonight. Dean Killian, his 23rd start of the season. Last year with the Pittsburgh River Hounds here in USL Championship. Sis. Back post, chance and Buyu nods it down, but into the side of the webbing. To the back post. Look at Omar Sis creating the space, getting around Corey. Goes backside. And there is the whistle to signal the end of the first 45 minutes of play. And after 45 minutes, Charlotte Independence 0, South Georgia Tormenta 0. Amo. Tug of the waist right there from Tormenta. If you're traveling to Charlotte to see an Independence game, make sure you stay at the Hyatt Place downtown. The Hyatt Place is just minutes. Johnson out wide. Alvarez. Into the box. Buyu in line. And that takes a deflection and goes in for an own goal. Well, Tracer and Buyu, he's done a little bit of everything. And while it hits off a defender of Tormenta, you gotta hand it to Tracer and Buyu with all he's done. See Mbuyu here doing the work, and then it looks like it hits off Kilwine there in front. Buyu somehow able to keep that in play. Omar Sis was sitting there at the top of the 6-yard box. Mason going right at Joel Johnson. Murphy. Mason. Back post, headed down, and that one somehow sneaks through for an equalizer. What a moment there for Tormenta, getting on the scoreboard here in the 62nd minute. Nice ball over here by Mason. Corey just on that back post, able to elevate up and over Flanagan for the goal. Tormenta, though, they need a win to move on. And also needs a loss or a draw from Ford Madison. Ajay. Back post once again. Tipped on, but off target. Great ball in by Ajay, but tipped wide. As Corey once again on the back post. Got himself in. Collie trying to squeeze through two defenders. Fonseca. Scoop pass. Collie able to get a piece of it. Spielman, though, able to shield his body from McCauley. Keep it away from any more danger. Chance here for Charlotte! And smothered on the near post by Hara. In transition is Alvarez. Alvarez able to step over the leg. Hackenberg winning the ball back. No, we will have a foul, and this will be our first booking of the game. So Hackenberg handed the yellow. That Greenville game still scoreless. Johnson plays it in. Headed up and on top of the cage. Coutinho out wide. Coutinho able to win the ball back there from Alvarez. And there is the final whistle, and for the defending champs, their season comes to a close.